We're having memory of that occurrence inside of the dream. This is a fascinating parapsychological phenomenon, man. Deja vu that coexists in the dream. Deja vu that occurs inside of the dream itself serves as a form of spiritual neuro-linguistic programming. It's true because that deja vu is what triggered the
there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
A 1 point thing somewhere that has a 1 point perspective, like a desert.
Subliminals in and of itself. You have subliminal, you have subliminal, you have...
There's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
Replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere that has
Sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have subliminal, you have